Hello, good morning and welcome to the noisy, buzzing town that is Richmond in London. When I say noisy and buzzing, it's St Mary Magdalene's Church on a Sunday morning and the church bells are going. That tells you this is a nice English place here. So let's go and explore, and particularly let's see what American coach Ted Lasso thinks of Richmond here. This here is a dry cleaners where you can also get a Christmas tree. That's pretty unique. What a combination. And you can tell it's a nice affluent area. Just walk past the estate agents there. Houses on for over £1 million. Got the Bang & Olufsen shop next to it. And a fine art shop and gallery here. And the houses across the road, they're all very nice, aren't they? It's all very nice round here. I'm taken by how frequently planes are landing at Heathrow, coming over the town of Richmond here, and some of the shops around here as well. You've got a posh second-hand place. I can't say the word on YouTube for some reason, and I'll take it as something else. They got all these nice shops. You've got the Ivy up there, but I want to show you here the old Ship pub on King Street. There's a bit of a history for this one. There's a sign across the bar. Let's see what that says. Across the door it says the old Ship has stood on this site since at least 1735. Stagecoaches used to stop here 6 times a day for passengers and mail deliveries and collections to and from Hampton Court. The old Ship has been serving beer from the Ram Brewery in Wandsworth since 1869. Just walking down this one street down here, there's lots of little alleyways and little turns down here, but off towards Richmond Green. I just want to turn the camera around and show you what we have here. Look, first of all, looking at the houses. These are pretty amazing. Oak house here on Old Palace Place. The old trees on the green, squirrels scampering across the road. I got Richmond Green over there. And it's just all very nice. It's all very nice. But before we explore Richmond Green a bit further, there's a side road down here I want to take us down. So let's have a wander down there next. At the end of the road you've got this clothes shop with all the high-end clothing there. Then you've got patisserie, lunches and coffee at Bon Bouche. There's some nice things in the window there. I might wander past on the way back. Let's head down here. Got the lights up against the down the alleyway down here. It's all very nice. It's good. So walking down this road, paved court. We'll turn and have a look at this doorway. 11A, paved court, Richmond, home of Ted Lasso, and the shop next door, Lasagna. It says eat like Ted. But this 11A, Ted Lasso's house. And just down from Ted's flat, you've got the Ted Lasso store here in Richmond with all the merchandise you can get linked to the show here, which is pretty cool, isn't it? The Ted Lasso store. So let's head into the Ted Lasso store here in Richmond and see what the world of AFC Richmond has going on. You might be thinking, what even is Ted Lasso? Ted Lasso is an Apple TV show from 2020 onwards, a fictional show of an American football coach who comes across to England to coach in this country. Look at all the great stuff you've got here. You've got the merch, the kit, the strips, and the snow globes are amazing. They're £30. And all the walls are decked out in Ted Lasso characters. You've got Roy Kent, you've got Danny Rojas's phrase, football is life. And obviously you've got Believe, which is the big theme of the show. And it's even plastered on the ceiling and on the floor. Everything here is such an amazing thing to see and be part of. I was just blown away by it all, really. It's pretty amazing that you've got all this about one TV show. You really could deck yourself out with all the gear here, shirts, t-shirts, tracksuits, everything, hats. There's just so much here. And it was such a nice thing to be able to see the Ted Lasso dartboard. Be curious, not judgmental. A great lesson for us all there. It's just, I was just blown away by it all. You might be able to guess that. And the Ted Lasso phone box by the pub, which we'll see later on. And it's such a nice, I keep saying nice. It's a lovely place. Even biscuits with the boss as well. Must say a great shout out to the two ladies working there. So friendly and so wonderful. So such a great advert for people of Richmond. But oh, what's this we see? We see a pub. It's the Prince's Head. Let's go from the other angle and see whether you recognise it. And this here is the Prince's Head, which in the TV programme has a different name. This pub in the TV series is called the Crown and Anchor, and this Fuller Smith and Turner's pub, Griffin Brewery, Fuller's, is the exterior view of the pub while the interior shots are filmed elsewhere. It's a good pub. We'll nip in there later on, but it's not open in the morning. So yeah, we'll wander in there later on. The Prince's Head. I'm going to pan around to look at the green here. There's the telephone boxes, which you'll see in the show. And yeah, let's have a look from the other angle. So I've got the beautiful Richmond Green here. And the lovely houses along this street here. And we've got the phone boxes outside the pub. And this seat here, which is where Ted and Beard often sit down and have a chat. So here we are on the famous bench next to the phone boxes and the pub. I've been to the store, I've bought some goodies. Do you want to see what I bought? Bought some biscuits for the boss. That's good. And I bought a fridge magnet and something else as well. So yeah, Ted Lasso here in Richmond. This is the bench. This is a nice area. It's good. I'm liking it. Happy days. And because this part of Richmond's a nice place, you can put your camera a couple of metres away and it not get nicked as well. So tempting fate with that one. But yeah, cool. Right, let's go somewhere else. That's one thing I like about certain areas of London is all the green spaces and the fact that people take advantage of them. People go for a walk, they go for a sit down and they read a paper, they have a drink, they have a coffee. Just sit down myself here and they just enjoy being outdoors. We're so stuck behind computers so much of the time, and at least this gives us a chance to get out there, enjoy the great outdoors. And who wouldn't enjoy something like this? It does remind me of somewhere like Harrogate, somewhere nice like that. There's a runner going along there, there's people going for walks, people enjoying the blue sky and the sunshine. It's nice. All this for Richmond. It says here, Richmond Green's been an important open space since the Middle Ages when it hosted jousting competitions. The remains of Richmond Palace can be seen on one side of the green. Many fine old houses, the Central Library and Richmond Theatre flank the green. And that's all down that end down there. I mean, look at those amazing buildings down there. Pretty cool, huh? Wow. And there's a sign here about Richmond Palace, 1501 to 2001. This is what it used to look like in the past. And then this is what it looks like now. We've got Richmond Green and the site of the old palace there. Down that way through there, through that archway. There's these cars just driving straight past. So that's the entrance to the palace site of Richmond Palace. This entrance area here is the gateway to there. It says it's private land, so I can't go too far in, but we'll have a peek through the gateway. through there at the Palace of Richmond. I just love how some houses go to town celebrating Christmas as the big silver and gold stars on the tree. And just look how amazing the decorations are on this house, Wentworth House here in Richmond. That's pretty special, isn't it? Imagine coming home to this every night time. Wow. There's so many nice houses along here. I like this here, the garage cottage with its shutters over the windows. That's amazing. So as we come down from Richmond Green, I want to pan round and see what's going on. You've got the railway bridge, then you've got the car bridge, vehicle the other side, all going across this beautiful river here. It's nice. I can tell you, it's nice. And you've still got the planes going overhead as well. Off on the holidays. Have fun, folks. And then bring you down to what it says here about Old Deer Park. We are here, and then just the other side of those bridges is the Old Deer Park. There's lots going on here, lots of history. It's one of the most important spaces and landscape features of Richmond. Not my words, the words of this sign here. There's dating back to the 14th century. Then there's the links with King Henry VIII, James I. There was stag hunting here. There's even rugby football here, England against Scotland. Richmond Horse Show, golf, the bridge. The nearest bridge, the railway bridge, was from 1848, designed by Joseph Locke. And Twickenham Bridge, 1933. So there we've got a lot going on in a very short space of area. So you've got the bridges, you've got the river. I've seen people canoeing down here already. There's plenty of people going for a walk. You've got this beautiful house here, Argyle House. It's just a very, very nice place. Now, as I walk along the river here, I feel so blessed to be here. It's very quintessentially English, which is very much a cliche, but it's one that's deserved because it is really nice around here. There's people going for bike rides, going for a canoe, going for a walk, taking the dogs for a walk, just enjoying the sunshine. This is the last Sunday in November. It's not cold, but it's pleasant. I love autumn for things like that. Let's go watch his boat go past, quick. Obviously, it's an affluent area, but that doesn't mean it's bad. It means that nice things can be enjoyed by all in this area. You don't have to live in this area to appreciate it. You can come here. I live in Pontefract in Yorkshire, a long, long way away, but I can come here, I can enjoy it. Other people can come here and enjoy what is around here. That's part of what this channel's about, bringing out the positives in every single place we go to. Now, this place here, I've said once or twice, is really, really nice. But then again, every town or city I've been to has something nice about it. But I'm just blessed by the weather here, the surroundings, how nice and friendly people are. It's good. Richmond in London, good place. Next to the White Cross here is this landing bay, and I've seen people parked here on the past, and I've got stranded when the high tide comes in and their cars end up submerged in the water. Lesson learned, don't park when it's high tide. Going back to Richmond Green, and behind me is the amazing Richmond Theatre. Let's have a look at it and find out more about it. This is Richmond Theatre, built in 1899 and designed by Frank Matcham. He designed many theatres across the country, including the one near me in Wakefield. But this theatre here has been host to lots of performances, not just stage shows, but also on TV and film as well. The theatre was used in Evita, the film, and also Finding Neverland, and also an episode of Jonathan Creek, as well as Ted Lasso as well. But yeah, Richmond Theatre, looking very grand. I'm loving the green bits on the turrets at the top and the flagpoles going up at the top. The flagpoles or lightning conductors? Are they a bit of both? I'm not sure. But next to there you've got the public library from 1890, I think that says up there. And it's the Richmond Public Lending Library next to the theatre here, used for arts and music. And there's lots going on here in the area as people try and park up in the parking spots, which are like gold dust around here. So we're back in Richmond, and look at these beautiful pretty lights. That kind of, again, amazing. What a great place this is. We're back at Ted's pub. We might as well go in and have a pint. So yeah, let's do that.
Should we play a game?
Whilst the interior of the pub isn't used in the filming, it's still decorated out like Ted. Now we've had that pint, it's time to wrap up the video. Thank you for watching here about my video of Richmond. It's a beautiful place, obviously Ted Lasso themed as well, but generally as a town itself here in London, it's a great place. Come to Richmond, it's good. Thanks for watching, see you again soon. Ta-ra a bit.